If you've ever installed crown molding, you know the most difficult part is cutting the compound angle joints. Well, here's a trick for cutting those joints quickly and accurately every time using a stop block. Start by holding a piece of the crown in the miter saw with the top and bottom surfaces perfectly flush. That's the correct cutting angle. Then take some hot melt glue and put a bead along the two outer surfaces of the saw table. You don't need much, just one continuous bead, maybe 3/4 of an inch or so away from the crown. You don't want to glue the crown molding down. Then immediately take the stop block and stick it in place. And make sure it's right up against the crown molding. There you go, right there. Now, once that's fully cured and hardened, that glue, we're going to remove the crown, make a couple of cuts to remove the middle section of this piece of wood. Okay, so now that we've got the center section of the stop block cut away, it's time to make the cut in the molding itself. When you're cutting crown molding, you always put it in the saw table upside down. And then adjust it, and you can see the two stop blocks hold it at the perfect cutting angle. Then you just make your cut. There you go. Perfect cut every time.